Hello, in today's video we are going to see gaming performance and a short gameplay of Wuthering Waves on Samsung Galaxy A17. So let's start. Let's open the game. As you can see, my current battery percentage is 44%. Before starting the game, let's check the graphic settings. Tap on settings. As you can see in graphic quality, I have set custom, the resolution to high, and the image display mode to global filter. Now scroll down. I'm going to increase the frame rate to 60 and special effects quality to high. Now let's start our gameplay with maximum settings on Samsung Galaxy A17. Tap on apply and leave. Now, as you can see on max settings on Samsung Galaxy A17, the open world look absolutely beautiful. The texture look very smooth. Now, let's do some movement. As you can see, the texture quality is very smooth. You can see the flowers and the rock and overall the environment. Now, let's do some battle. So, as you can see, after playing for almost 10 minutes with maximum settings on Samsung Galaxy A17, the mobile performed very great. There is no lag and no heat at the back. So, I hope you like this gameplay on maximum settings. Now, I will change setting to default. Now, I have changed setting to default. And in this default settings, I'm also going to record my gameplay to see how well the mobile will perform while playing game and recording at the same time. So let's start the screen recording. As you can see, the screen recording is now started. So let's continue our gameplay. As you can see in this default settings, the overall open world environment looks a little textury, little downgraded as compared to the highest settings. Now let's continue our game. Just open utilities, select the grapple, and there you go. If you want to be a hero like the Jinjo Speedster, gotta master the grapple. Come on, give it a shot, Rover. So I hope you like this gameplay on default settings while recording my gameplay. The overall gaming experience on this settings is great. You can play it and also record your gameplay and there is no lag and you can play it smoothly. From the back, there is no heat after playing game for almost 30 minutes. So I hope you like this gameplay. If you do like, please hit like, subscribe, and I will meet you in next video.